So by the time you figure out what is SUA and SIA. SUA is to wipe. Okay, so therefore la fille essuie la table. Okay, please remember the girl wipes the table. Okay, therefore SUA is done as ESSUIER. Okay, sorry, IE. Of course, drop the ER. ESSUIE. Please remember, SUR is a regular YR verb. Therefore, you drop the Y and it is replaced with I. Okay, so therefore you have ESSUIE. Okay, ESSUIE. The next one, okay, you do by yourself. Please check this on Convertir. Look it up on the net, okay, or on the web. That's the best place where you can find out. If not, then I'll tell you. Okay, first you try it by yourself. Then how do we do futur proche? Okay, come down, look there. Okay, down you have mettez le verbe entre parenthèses au futur proche. You learned last year how to do futur proche. It's very simple. You take the verb infinitive like it's given to you here, and you simply add our endings. See, what we need for future tense is that the last letter should be R. Sorry, yeah, I'm sorry, what did I say? Yeah, the last letter should be R. The last letter of the stem should be R. Okay, not with the conjugation. Okay, what we need is the stem should end with R, and that's what we have right here, except for RE verbs. So for RE verbs, what you do, you knock off the E. Please remember this. You knock off the E, and that gives you the stem, the R. Okay, the stem. Therefore, you have to étudier dans une heure. You study in 1 hour. Now, when you have you will study in 1 hour, what do you do in that case? Okay, so let's just do this one for example. Okay, so étudier is a regular ER verb. Okay, what you're going to do when you have tu is you're going to add AI or AS. Why or? I'm asking you why or. I'm not saying or. Actually, what I'm saying is you have to add AI or. Why did I say or AS? Is because I just want to confuse you and see if you're paying attention. See, please remember that you use only AS. Okay, don't ever use AI. There's no or about it. Okay, so please remember, like it's written up there, EQTUDIERAS. Clear? So it's you étudiera dans une heure. You will study in 1 hour. Please remember, don't forget to write meanings. Please remember that as you're writing these answers, please translate the whole answer, the whole sentence into English. Now, as I told you earlier, I'm saying it. I want you to solve exercise 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for homework and click a photo of it and send it to me. Okay, please click a photo and send it to me because I'm giving you marks for this, and if you do not send your photos to me on time, that is within that day, like by the end of the day, I want your answers sent to me by at least day means at least by night, at least by 12 o'clock. Okay, so if your answer not sent to me within that day, from the day of that you have viewed the video, I will have nothing, no marks to give you. Okay, so for your internal assessment, so please make this your priority. You all are on WhatsApp, and somewhere during the day you will get WhatsApp, so I mean internet or your phone or something like that. So please have your answers ready. The moment you get network, please click the photo and send it to me. Okay, and send and keep first only, so that once the net comes it will automatically go. Okay, so I mean do whatever you have to do, but just send it to me in the right time. Okay, so done, that's it. Then if you come down, you have réécrivez les phrases en mettant les nombres soulignés en toutes lettres. What does the word lettre look like to you? Does it look like one of the English words? Letters? Yeah, that's what it means. Okay, that's what it means. Réécrivez les phrases en mettant. Réécrivez les phrases is rewrite the sentences or the phrases. En mettant is by putting or inputting les nombres, the numbers, souligné. So by putting the numbers, souligné is underlined. So rewrite the sentences by putting the underlined numbers and toutes lettres, in all letters, in letters. Okay, so therefore, il y a, what will be 51? Don't look at the screen. Il y a 51, the word for 50 is 50. Okay, 50. Il y a 50 élèves. See that? Look at the answer there. Is that correct? 50 élèves. Un dixième. Un dixième in 10th class. Okay, there are 51 students in the 10th class. I don't know about your class, but here in this textbooks class, they have 51 students, it seems. Très bien, that's wonderful. Let's go to the next. Complétez. The fifth one is compléter les phrases avec les adjectifs démonstratifs. Now, adjectif démonstratif, please remember, it's written over here. It is ce, cet, that is for masculine. CTTE, cet is for feminine. And says, CES. Please write this at the side of your textbook or something if it's wherever you're solving, okay? Or if you're writing it in your book, write there next to it, okay, as you're writing it. So if you do not have a textbook, pause the video here and write these topics, solve these exercises from the video itself, okay? So please pause the video and solve it also, no problem, but make sure you have solved the exercise and clicked a photo and sent to me, okay? Please do that. Now here for your demonstrative, you're going to use said, says. Now what is the meaning of it? Please remember, okay, please remember, write the meaning there. Said, said, okay, again I'm saying said means this or that, and only ces means these or those. Why? Because it's plural masculine feminine, okay, it's plural. That's why only ces means these or those. Is that clear? So therefore, first translate the sentences. Regarder cette statue means look at or watch this statue. Similarly, je n'aime pas dash jardin. I do not like this garden. Please write the meanings as I'm telling you. Please pause the video and write the meanings. Next one, dash église est grande. This church is big. Correct? Église means church, as you already know. Please write the meanings if you do not know. Est grand, big, is big, okay? Appelez dash homme. Call this man or that man. Next, similarly, dash enfants sont méchants. These dash enfants. Enfant, there is a S over there which tells you that it is plural. Now, sometimes some nouns already end with S. Please listen carefully, okay? Some nouns already end with S. That doesn't mean they are plural. Okay, why? Because you have to look at the verb conjugation. Can you see sont there? Les enfants sont méchants, and méchant also is taken an S out of agreement because there are many kids and the kids are naughty. That's what they're saying, okay? Méchant means naughty. So you're saying these kids are naughty. Now why these? Because we're talking about many kids, and the clue and how we come to know that there are many kids, because the verb being conjugated over there is sont. If it was singular kid, like that child is naughty, it would be est. The verb être, est, il est, elle est. But because it's plural, it is sont. So this brings us to the end of the class. Thank you so much. And please, again, once again, I'm saying, please solve this exercise by whatever means, but make sure you do it correctly, because you're being marked for it, and solve it and send it to me by night. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.